Welcome wineers, happy National Wine Drinking Day. My name is Christian O'Quintons. I am the sommelier of this amazing property, Atlantis Casino Resort. Come on over, this is my home, this is where I live. I actually go to have breakfast at my home, but this is where I actually live though. This is my cellar, come on up. So this is our wine cellar right here. Many celebrities, many people that you should know, you may know, politicians, influencers have dinner with us in this little table over here, where my chef, myself, our maitre d' actually do some wine pairings and food pairings, and we have fun with wines and regions of the world that you might not be aware of. A lot of fun for me because I get to drink with them, but at the same time to explain a little more about the history of wine. And a little bit of touch about that, about history of wine. It's been with us for just about 7,000 years. 4,000 years ago, the first and the latest discovery of a winery working over there in Armenia, producing wine, the type of wine that we're drinking today. So things haven't changed that much in 4,000 years. The one thing that's changed though, it is the human palate, the appreciation for regionality, for typicity, for complexity, for specific grapes that you might or might not know about. Right now I'm drinking a sparkling wine. This is a traditional sparkling wine from Spain, my favorite sparkling wine, Cava, Segura Viudas. It is made with traditional grapes right there in northern Spain. I know that because I come over here, I study about it. You would know that if I tell it to you. The fun thing about the wine cellar is that you get to interact with me and you get to ask me all kinds of questions. The most important question is the one that you have. The most important answer is the one that I can give you and satisfy you. I'd like to say thank you very much to all of you for watching us, for making all this possible. We truly appreciate you. Thank you very much for everything you do for Atlantis. And in this day of wine drinking, by all means, open a bottle of wine that you haven't had before. Make yourself, you put yourself out there. Be critical of your palate, and most of it, enjoy, because this is pure enjoyment. Cheers.